start with the thin branches and then work your way up thicker and thicker. I learned this from Les Stroud from Survivor Man. You don't really need a big fire to stay warm. And he's the real one. Like Bear Grylls, that's all scripted. Like Les Stroud, he actually really lives alone in the wilderness for a week in like secluded areas. I actually watched Les Stroud since I was like a kid. I remember I said when I grew up, I wanted to survive in the wilderness for a week, just like Les Stroud. Yeah, now the campfire is going nicely. One more campfire tip. Actually, this would be more of a flame tip. The hottest part of a flame is where the blue part of the flame and the yellow part of the flame meet. That is actually the hottest area of the flame. So when you're starting a campfire, don't put the wood on the ground right next to it. Try to like elevate it so the tip of the flame hits the wood for the bigger pieces. I always try to dig a hole. So at the end of the campfire, I mean, it's good to block out wind and it keeps like a good like base of coals going throughout the day. But the reason digging a hole is efficient is because when you're done, on the side, because you dug it out, there's like the extra soil, you just dump it up on top. And then at the end you pat it down, sprinkle more water on the mud part, and then it'll kill the flame like very fast. And like dispersed camping, I would dig a hole instead of just like making a little circle with rocks. I've dug a hole to make a campfire almost like 50 times if I just think about how many campfires I've done and how many trips, different spots. But this is my first time watching this on film, right? And this is one of those things where you don't realize why other YouTubers do what they do, because almost every like nature YouTube channel that I've seen, they always like have this, and like I'm watching myself and like I said I would never do this because to me that concept is boring, but now I'm watching this and it's like it's weirdly addicting to watch.